Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys. All are serially packed here. I will hand wrap these toys with my hand, so let's go. First one is a fire service rescue truck. This color combination is green, golden and black color. Friends, I reach my parking place. Next one is a construction vehicle. Next one is a miniature drum truck. Friends, this color combination is pink, red and white. This is very nice toys drum truck. Next one is a heavy duty drum truck. This color combination is pink, white and red color. Next one is a Mercedes car. This color combination is blue, white and silver color. Next one is a double-decker bus. This color combination is green and orange color. This is so beautiful double-decker bus. Next one is a high-speed army Honda. This Honda color combination is black, green and silver color. Next one is a miniature crane. Next one is a police car. Friends, this police car color combination is black, yellow and blue color. This is awesome police car. Next one is a army tanker. This is 6-wheeler army tanker. Next one is a miniature tank. Very nice. Next one is a vehicle. Next one is a army crane. Next one is a R29 Roadmaster Jeep. Next one is a fast food cart. This color combination is black, pink and white color. Next one is a 4x4 Jeep car. Friends, all are serially packed here. Friends, I will ending this video. See you soon next time with a new video. Tata.